So hey everybody, this is Sean, and this is room 2316 here on the Carnival Magic. Just going to give you a quick room tour. We've got the room made into a king-size bed, as you can see. So as you can see, there is a lamp on either side with a little end table. And over here, you've got a safe. And then down here, you've got the fridge. And in this particular room, you've got 3 closets. Got shelves that can be pushed back so you can hang here. But you've got shelving here. And then you've kind of got his and her hanging. You've got a shelf and hanging rod and another hanging rod where we've been storing some jackets, backpack. Alright. And on the desk area, which is just here at the foot of the bed, as you can see, you've got 2 outlets on this side over here by the phone, 110 outlets, and then you've got the European outlet, which, as you can see, Angie and I are utilizing an adapter to give us some more USB ports for charging. And then you've got 3 more drawers. And this is the bathroom. It's got your corner shower. Obviously, corner toilet. It's got a little shelving on both sides. 1 sink. Storage down below. But all of these bathrooms are pretty much the same. Although the one on the Jubilee in our Cloud 9 room was a little bit different. Later. Well, it's our second cruise here on the Magic, and we changed rooms. We're now in room 2336 as opposed to 2316. We only moved down the hall a little bit. But this cabin is a mirror opposite of our previous room. When you do a back-to-back, you just kind of pack up your stuff and the room steward moves it. We just walked in, put our room steward, brought in our luggage and just sat it there. So we get the TV's on the opposite side now. Again, king size bed. Here in room 2336, we've got end tables. Unfortunately, again, no USBs near the bed. Got a light switch up there. Here on the desk, you've got your standard 110 outlets over here by the phone. We've got the European outlet right here, which we use our adapter for. We're going to have a safe in here. Have a fridge under here. We've got a closet here, which this shelf can flip up so that you can use that bar for more hanging if you so desire. And then our steward's already transferred those clothes over to this and this closet. And again, just your pretty standard Carnival bathroom, sink. We've got shelving on both sides. And you do have an outlet up there for a shaver. I think that's more of a European thing. And because we're on a back-to-back, we've received our back-to-back gift. A bottle of wine. Cabernet Sauvignon. I don't know.
There you go.
And some nuts and whatnot. Oh yeah, you have these drawers here, which we utilize these drawers. And you got your hair, your blow dryer. Well, it looks like they're replacing the lamps with USB lamps today. So here's the lamps that are currently on our cruise. And so I guess I'll have to add this to my tour video, that now you have a lamp on either side of the bed that have USB capabilities. And we've seen those similar lamps before on some of the other ships. So the Carnival Magic goes into dry dock, and they're doing the dry dock in Nassau the week following that we get off the ship. So there's one more cruise from the 12th to, I'm not exactly sure, it's probably a 6-day cruise, as we'll have just been on an 8-day cruise, and then the ship will go into dry dock. But it seems like they're already doing some refurbishment on the ship, bringing it in to a little bit more of a modern age. But it will certainly be nice to have those USBs right next to the bed.